Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we will edit again a picture, using Lightroom Mobile CC. So, let's get started. First, go to the Profiles. Under Artistic, select Artistic 4. And then adjust this to 111. Now go to the Lights panel. For this photo, I'll adjust the contrast to -38. Highlights to -79. Shadows to 67. Whites to -57. And blacks to 30. Now, go to Curve Tone. Adjust the white like this. Now go to the color panel. Adjust the temperature to 12. Tint to 29. Vibrance to 63. And saturation to -41. Now, go to Color Mix. Go to Red, adjust the hue to -13. And saturation to 39. Go to Orange, adjust the hue to -60. And saturation to -32. Go to Yellow, adjust the hue to -100. Saturation to -33. And luminance to -50. Go to Green, adjust the hue to -31. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -50. Go to Aqua, adjust the saturation to -100. Go to Blue, adjust the hue to -27. Saturation to -54. And luminance to -15. Go to Purple, adjust the hue to -50. Saturation to -100. Go to Magenta, adjust the saturation to -100. And now, go to the Effects panel. Adjust the texture to 12. Clarity to 44. Dehaze to 39. Vignette to -10. Midpoint to 5. Feather to 100. Then go to split tone. Go to highlights, adjust the hue to 231 and saturation to 10. Go to shadows, adjust the hue to 21 and saturation to 22. Now, go to details, adjust the sharpening to 6. Radius to 1.30. Masking to 25. Noise reduction to 15. Contrast to 24. Color noise reduction to 21. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any suggestions or request, please let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in another video.